Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M35, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. To get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, you're looking for the power saving mode, which for me, or toggle more precisely, which is right over here. Once you see it, simply tap on it, and there we go. Now, Samsung doesn't give you any other information here, as it kind of used to do it by tapping on a text, but that doesn't do anything anymore. So to figure out what the changes are that you're applying right now, you can hold the toggle, and this will take you to basically the settings of it. And here you can see that it gives you a bit of a more comprehensive explanation on what changes will be made. So background network usage, syncing, and location checking will be limited, and motion smoothness will be changed to standard, which is 60 Hz. So the device might seem like it's more choppy when scrolling. Additionally, the more important part of this first message is the background network usage will be limited. What that refers to is your Wi-Fi and mobile network basically being turned off when you're not using the device, and then it will reconnect to it every so often to see if it's missing some kind of notifications. If it is, it's gonna then drop them all on you at once. So this is going to be done every periods of time. Obviously, in those periods, it's going to try to preserve battery by disabling it. So if notifications, you rely on notifications being delivered to you on time when they're sent to you, power saving mode might not be the thing that you're looking for, to be honest. Now below that, we also have a couple additional things like a turn off always on display, limit CPU speed to 70%, decrease brightness by 10%, turn off 5G connectivity, and the last one is just what you'd consider a super power saving mode, which is disabled by default, but if you want, you can enable it just to see it. It is designed to primarily just preserve battery, and it's not recommended for a typical usage, as it just kind of removes most of the applications from your home screen and gives you the most bare bones application that you will need for communication, like messages, dialer, and maybe calendars and a couple others. So there we go. Now once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off by tapping on a toggle once more. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.